Be careful. Bryce, are you excited to go into kindergarten?
No.
You're not? You don't want to go?
Yes.
Are you sure? We could keep you in your school now.
No.
Are you going to try to do your best in kindergarten?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Mason?
Yes. No. Babble.
Okay, let's not say that. Okay. Mason?
Yes.
Mason, you like Miss Amanda?
No.
You don't like your teacher, Miss Amanda?
I don't want Auntie Amanda. Auntie Amanda.